What is it? What is it? Get it all.
Mwaka, my sister. Mwaka, I don't know. You know the implications of the allegations that you leveled against me.
Which allegation?
You know how this thing is going to affect me.
Which allegation?
Mwaka, you know I did not do this. I did not rape you.
You did it. You raped me.
Mwaka, if you continue saying these things and people hears about it, they will stone me to death.
Why didn't you consider that when I was begging you not to rape me and you went ahead to rape me? Why you engage?
Hey.
I pleaded with you to let me go, but you said no because you were high on drugs. Yes.
Mwaka, see, please, whatever it is that I did to you that made you to say these things you're saying now, please forgive me. You need to save my face and reestablish my personality in this village.
Personality, Igbo. Get personality, oh, you treat me though, Mama! Mama! Why are you this man? Do you want to start touching me again? You want to start where you stopped? Is that okay, Mama?
Mwaka.
No, but why are you touching me again? Why are you romancing me?
Mwaka, please, Mwaka, you go by. Listen to me. I want to tell you everything that you should know. Everything I did to you, please forgive me, and I will not do it again. Oh, if I do it again, in fact, I will not do it again. Let me buy you something like all these small pills so that you can drink it and flush off all these things. I did not do this. Please, okay, even if I did it, just forgive me. I don't want it to be heard.
Open a my flush it off. Like ya. Answer me. If she had terminated you, would you have been alive today? You are telling me you want to buy pills so that I will terminate my own baby. See, listen and listen good. There's no amount of peace that will make me terminate my precious child. I am going to have this baby. You see this Christian faith? I'll practice it to the letter.
Our family's image is at stake.
My child is also at stake. My baby's life is also at stake.
Take this thing now. Take it and flush this.
So this is how you go about impregnating girls and giving them pills to flush it. Okay, because she don't now.
Don't do this. Mwaka ego. I don't know. Hi. How did I even start smoking? How? No. I joined your laughter go to how? But I did not do this now. Even when I smoke, I know that. Why am I even have. Bam. No. I will not smoke again. Mwaka, please. Mwaka, masses yourself.
Hey. What you did is a taboo. Becos. Machuba. Oh. The more the days go by, the more the pregnancy is growing. And if the paternity of this child gets to the ear of an outsider, Oster, you are doomed. Mama, you know the consequences. Mama, izochili madu, igo izochili achuku. Let me even ask you, Mama, why are you so keen about protecting the image of an unrepentant rapist, a sinner? Eh? Why do you want to cover him up?
Go watch your tongue. I can take anything from you, but not to look into my ass to talk this kind of nonsense. Watch your tongue.
You are a rapist.
Watch your tongue,
Will you beat me? Or you lay your filthy smelling hands on me? See, let me. Oh, but an ambush isn't getting. See, I will announce you to the whole village. I will go and tell them that you are a rapist. I'm going to family meeting in one local. You say, shut up. You still have mouth to talk. Don't worry. I know what to do to you. You're still running your mouth.
Listen to me. I don't like what.
Don't worry. I must announce you. I will tell everybody in this village how my brother raped me.
Enough, both of you. Enough. Okay, no.
Please, Makego, I am begging you.
You must not drag the name of this family to the mud. The Christian family I built for so many years.
Mama, don't you know that protecting a rapist, a sinner like him, is also a sin on its own? Don't you know? Your Christian faith should be against it, not the other way around. Check it on upside down.
I am not changing anything. We are not talking about any faith here. Pico. All I am saying is that if this gets to the ears of people, if the whole community ends up hearing about this, you know your brother will be stoned to death. Have you thought in Assam, you don't know the consequences? Pico. Major. What about you? Have you thought about you? Have you thought about the stigma on your person? Have you thought about the stigma on the child when it's finally born? Wait. Okay, shut up when I am talking. Makego, please, I am begging you. Yeah, Abugopano, yeah, Odudu Belni here. Kaya leji mak Odudu Belni he tipia here. We need to be very careful not to break the testicle in attempt to kill the tick that perched on it.
Mama, see, let me tell you the truth. I still maintain my stand. I am not aborting my child. And there's no amount of sweet talk that will make me abort my child just to protect this rapist. Mama, you cannot be switching off the light of my life whenever you want. You can't be turning it off and on whenever it pleases you.
I am not trying to switch on or off anything. For us to be very careful. We need to handle this situation. Pico, let's see a way to cover this. We're not talking about abortion. We must find a way to do this. Oh, Mom, Pico Kene, who do we explain this to? Kirikaige Sibido Kobia. Pico.
Are you tracking me or what?
My eyes are always on you. So whenever I want to see you, I have my way of getting close to you.
What are you doing here?
I thought you said that you and my sister Nwakego are so much in love with each other. How come she's pregnant for another man?
What are you talking about?
Well, it might interest you to know that the woman you are in love with is in love with another. Not just that, she is pregnant for him. So I think it is high time you stopped your relationship with her and chose wisely. Single and waiting for you.
Thank you for your information. You know what? I'd rather remain single than taking you.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you.
You hate good things. I am offering myself to you on a platter. You will remain a single man for the rest of your life. That's why you will keep suffering. I am giving you myself on a platter. You see, you rather remain single. You will die single.
Leave your sister alone to live her life.
You will die single.
Allow your sister to live her life. Leave your sister alone to live her life. Eh? Come and take. Manyetu, sir. Abeli, you will let me. Leave your sister alone.
My love. You're welcome. You're welcome. How did you go today?
Save other unnecessary distractions, yeah? My day was fine.
I brought something for you. Food. Something sumptuous, delicious.
You know, they say no food for a lazy man. But it's not applicable for someone whose in-law is into restaurant business.
But you're not a lazy man, my love.
Anyway, based on what's happened at home, what's the next? What's our next plan of action?
You know my family. They can't wait to hear that I'm getting married to anyone as long as he's a man. They want the reproach of incest taken away from our family. You know how religiously sanctimonious my mother can be? Yes, so she would do anything within her powers to preserve her Christian faith.
Then let's start planning for our wedding already. I can do anything possible to keep you as my wife forever. Then we'll have to start planning for our marriage.
But you do not have the money for such absolution.
I can do whatever I can do to keep you. I can sell off my land.
No. My love, you would do no such thing. That's the only thing you have left. I wouldn't want you to sell it.
I can't hold on to that land when I can sell it off and build our future. Our future together is bright.
I love you, Buchi. All I'm thinking right now is how I'm going to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you.
No amount of money spent on love is too much. I am going to make you proud. Our wedding is going to be celebrated in a grand style.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I'm so grateful to have you. I love you. Stop! Let me continue with what I was doing before you came back. So you have to go and eat your food.
No, let me watch you do this.
Don't worry, go on. It's okay, let me get the food.
There is something I want us to talk. Okay. Chibuzo, Mama. Now that you have succeeded in chasing Ifeyinwa away, have you seen anybody to marry?
Mama, do you still want to toe this lane?
Of course, yes.
Okay. Mama, I will marry when I find the woman I love. And once that happens, I will bring her to this house to meet you.
Chibuzonwan, you are my son, and I love you so much. Age is no longer on your side. You are no longer getting younger. Do you want to marry when you must have been exhausted? Do you want to marry when you will not perform the duties of a young man you are? Chibuzo. Okay, Chibuzo, tell me. Do you want to marry when another man, your fellow young man, will come and be impregnating your wife. Is that what you want? Chibuzo, do you want to marry when I must have died and join my ancestors? Is that what you want, Chibuzo? Chibuzo Biko, I need to carry my grandchildren. Please, my son, please. Marry for me. I want to carry my grandchildren. Biko no. Biko wem. No?
Mama, do you know what? Mama, I will marry the moment once you stop disturbing me. Now please, I'm hungry. I need food.
Get out now. You should know what I'm saying now. It's too big for that kind of amount. Eh? Neguda need 200,000. It's too big, man. Check him now. Eh? Why you want halo? He's a question man 200,000. Man, not drum money.
Okay, I'm just trying to help you. Eh? Look now, your village is not even developed at all.
Are you trying to help me? Why
And I
you
don't think the land can even appreciate in 10 years.
What are you talking? Landed business is one powerful business that you can do.
I know.
You can buy this land and keep it for 10 years. Before 10 years, it will appreciate. And you sell it more than what you.
But not this one. Not this one. This your land, your village is still developing.
Oga, let me tell you the truth, eh? My place is developing very fast. You understand? But check them. This thing is too big for 200,000. Eh? From here to here is even more than 100 by 60. Just take your eyes and measure this from here to here. From here to here. From here we're standing now to that place safe is 100 by 60. From here now, check him now. He can't be pricing me this land for 200,000.
Are you taking the 200,000 or not?
Bro, see. You understand what I'm trying to say, eh? Imanyani. Eh? Imanyani. Too much. Not the bigger than what you're pricing. Something.
Okay, fine. 250.
Hey.
250,000 last. If you're ready, you come.
Agowai, why did you invite me here?
Ejiofor, there's something I want you to do for me and it's very urgent.
What is that?
Biko, I want you to pose as one of my husband's kinsmen. There is somebody that is coming for my daughter's hand in marriage. In all honesty, I don't want that wretched boy to marry my daughter. So, that is one. Secondly, I want you to compile a list. I have collected a list from our kinsmen, secretary, but Biko, compile a list. Add everything. I want everything to be highly expensive for him. About 30 naira, 30,000.
Are you aware that what you are asking me to do is local Yahoo? Are you aware?
Local Yahoo can chuck him something that you can do for a Christian mother, name everything in the church, name feature and everything. Eh? But you do come to my restaurant and eat and go. You can't have local Yahoo. As a Christian mother, there are things I will not let my children do. And marrying a wretched person who cannot take care of them, I brought one of them.
But it's better you go to Icheku now. Let him give you.
As from Icheku, we'll be back to you. Did I not? Do this thing for me, please. You know you're still owing me. How many months have you been eating without pay? How many? No, answer me. Just do this thing and I will cut your debt into 2.
Only the debt? What of other things I've been asking for?
What else are you asking for? What? Something you know you can't afford even in your next life to come. Don't even go there. What is wrong with you?
It's 2 things, so
I'll pose like a case man and I will also compile a list.
How do you come to my shop to eat? Will you not work first, then enter, sit down and eat credit and go? How many things do you do in one? The walking, the entrance, the sitting, the eating of the credit and still go without payment. Ingredient for three good months. You still drink sachet water on top. Calculate. How many things have you done in one? Then how many things are you going to do? Just one. Sit down, compile a list. And not only that, I will give you food. Cut your debt into 2. Check it now. What is wrong? Now. Now.
Okay, I will do it for you.
Not you will do it for me. I want you to do it now. Let me get a paper and the pen. You start writing the list. And we're going to come with it from Mumuna. So I want you to look at all the items there. There are 3,000. There are 30,000. Something like that. It's very simple. Thank you very much. Please don't even start. Unless after this, so work is also work, and you won't owe me again. What is your problem? Yeah.
Go. Mama.
Dear one.
How are you? I brought it. All of it. So your mother can now help us to get everything we need for the marriage.
Are you serious?
Yes. This is 250,000 naira. Yes.
Chimo. Thank you, my love.
You're welcome.
For everything.
Again.
Nothing. You tried. I just want to let you know that no matter what, it's you and I forever.
Good day, ma.
Oh yeah, the list.
Oh.
I've collected it from the chairman of our kindred.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Wow. Chimo. This would cost 350,000 now.
Am I the one that wrote the list? No. I collected it from the chairman of our kindred. Waka, how much is there?
Mama, no, this is not right, Mama. This is all shades of wrong. I mean, where do you expect my husband to be to get the sum of 100,000 naira needed to add to this 250 for the perfection of my marriage rights? Is it a crime to love a woman? What has he done wrong, Mama? Why are you frustrating his efforts?
Nah, but not speedy. Calm down. Are you expecting me to answer that question? Do you? Of course, from where he got the 250,000 naira he brought to you, he can as well go there and get the balance of 100,000 naira. Need I remind you that this is the money for the little items needed? Because the original traditional marriage ceremony proper will be massive, Makani brother.
Mama, you're just impossible.
Very, impossible.
Are you just knowing? I am impossible. Everyone, mother of impossibility.
Mama, Mama, you are just messing up uncontrollably. How can you be thinking like that? How can at a time like this you are here disturbing yourself and arguing over money when you know that you do not have time? Mama, let me watch, nah. There is no time, and the more we take this time, the more things are getting out of hand.
Don't even go there. Enolia, don't go there. Am I the one to tell you to get high on weed and molest your own blood sister?
Mama, you're just doing things the way you're not supposed to be. Mama, listen, let me tell you, I am not here to argue with you. The most thing that is important to me now is that we do everything possible to make sure that this girl leaves this house and go and give birth to that thing she has in her womb in that boy's house. She must not be here. Time had wrong.
Do not patronize me. Patronize one bit. What do you expect me to do? Our kinsmen will not take any excuses because that has been the standard. And do not expect me to remove anything from what I am supposed to get as mama. And any popular I will not remove.
Wickedness in the Christian model. So it's not everything that you want today. You know, read the Bible, change to one the new one. Now what for you?
You can still be a man. Read your Bible very well. Ogo help your in-law. Sit at the model. Or the goma from raping. Not the one from Guinea. Adding to the money I gave you where one would have resulted in a female of the rape. Nonsense. If for this one, you patch on your job. Anyway, I have to wear my clothes.
Nah, time I do a See, oh, if I can make this thing, hey! Nah, Mama, there is no time. Ma. God, no more. I'm going to be like that. Listen, I take the first. Listen, I take the more. Come on, I need you quite reform because this woman is not understanding what is going on.
Why would they demand such a large amount of money from you? Just a very price. So, did any man's husband marry her with such a huge amount of money? I don't even know why you insist on marrying from that particular family. Just forget about that family. They are not even good enough for you. Look, my son, there are so many girls out there who are willing to accept you, no matter how little you have. Besides, I don't even know why you have to sell the only property bequeathed to you by your father, just because you want to get married. You want to get married. Hi!
Uncle, I love Nwakego.
Ogu. You love Nwakego? Ogu say.
Mama. Let me help you, Mama. Mama, please, I want to talk to you, please. About what? Mama, please. I want to ask you for a favor. Do not allow the man I love so much to go away because of the outrageous bride price you people are giving him. Biko, I know you can do something. It's not as if he has the money and doesn't want to bring it. Please, give love a chance, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Mama. I know I supported you bring a man to marry you. To cover this shame of rape and pregnancy. But not Onyebuchi. This wretched fool, Mbana. Go out there. Get a rich man. There are so many rich men out there who can take care of you. Emechiganya. Look for them, bring them. I can even consider reducing the price. I can even pay Umuna some money. I will do the needful. As long as you get a man who is befitting to be the son-in-law of this house.
We can find a way around this, Mama. Biko, help me, Mama. Help me. Buchi doesn't have money, but he has prospects. And by the grace of God, Oge make Kwanya Biko.
Yeah.
Yes, Mama.
Okay. He has prospect. And by the grace of God, Oge make here.
Yes.
But will make Beya. Okay. I have a solution to it.
Hi, Mama, what is the solution?
It's
Just
very
say
simple. Don't worry, I'm gonna speed. Calm down. As a child of God, Mbo, as a Christian mother, Mbo, I will help out. After all, Adam gave. See,
thank you, Mama.
I will help you on one condition, which is for him to come to my restaurant and become the restaurant attendant. He will stay the period of time equivalent to the money he needs to marry you with. Mama,
how could you say a thing like that? Mama, that's unbelievable.
I am saying a thing like that because you are my first daughter. I need to help you. I need you to open your eyes. I fed you for 9 months.
Oh, God.
I don't want a situation where say, child, you will come to my house and be feeding. It's not proper.
Mama,
check any no.
Mama, please don't.
My prospect, yes, I believe, but let him serve in my restaurant for the period of time equivalent to the money he needs to marry you with. When I was training you, I have the hope that one day you will clean my tears. On them, consider me before your love. Think about it. Igota, Biko, if he's ready to work in my restaurant, at least, for now.
Hi. My own mother. Mama is not being fair to me.
Mama, I still do not understand why you had to make such kind of requests from Onyebuchi, considering the condition we are in. Time is not on our side. I feel mad is so.
Ustadema, I know what I am doing. Do you think I am happy? I don't want Onyebuchi to have my daughter on a platter. That is why I have maneuvered him by making sure he pays through his nose to have her.
Mama, I am not against what you're saying. I feel the same way you feel. But the question is, what if Onyebuchi refuses to do as you demanded? What am I wrong?
Onye refuses. A Christian child like you that's supposed to be the family ambassador. I know what I am doing. So relax. He is not going to do anything like that. Somebody that sold the only land he has to marry Nwakego. That shows the extent he can go to have her. And the best I can do is to convert her into a pawn in my games. Very soon, all these things will begin. Yeah, over. Okay, for Nyebuchi. Akokia. Only to Rafa. Same face. Let me go to the shop and see if I can sell anything. I'm not going to further. Mpura. Mulimu cessation on him. You are the cause of all this nonsense.
Mama, since you have started helping me, finish up the help. You must not continue to tell me.
Pound cocoyam. I should finish helping you. We are making soup in the evening. Pound cocoyam. Do something. Do something apart from smoking. Better your life. More than double.
I spoke with my mother and she agreed to help us with the money needed for our traditional marriage. On one condition, that you will work in her restaurant. Yes.
Your mother said that?
She said that, but I totally disagreed with her. I told her no, it's not possible. Because that would be very embarrassing and humiliating for my husband to be. Check in.
My dear, nothing will be so embarrassing for me to do just to have you as my wife.
What do you mean?
You've taken the most menial job. It's what it will take to make you mine forever. I'll do it. Good day, ma. Good day.
How may I help you?
Ma, I accept the offer of working in your shop, pending the time my services commensurate the 100,000 naira needed for Nwakego's bride price.
Well, that won't be a problem. I will accept it in one condition. Because I've had so much experiences of love like this. People running away. I know your head is not correct. You can do nasty things, including running away with my daughter. I don't want you to run away with my daughter. And you know, as a Christian mother, my faith forbids it. Okay, ma?
Yeah, I know, but my father did not run away with my mother, so there's no way I would want to run away with somebody's daughter.
Because many are mad, few are roaming. Okay, ma? Like Utu is Atam. You can start today. There are plates to wash. So go in there and start washing already.
Okay, thank you. I'll do that now.
Make sure you wash them very well. Don't break my plate.
It's okay.
Do not break my plate. Don't break my plate, oh. Be careful.
Yes, ma'am.
Inolia, if you break any plate, I will subcharge you.
No problem.
Be careful, oh. Don't use that almost too much. To see an million when I sack. You want to marry? Bien, c'est bon, it a fouzo.
Why would you condescend so low to be a slave to my mother when you and I can comfortably run away from this village to somewhere far from here and start up a better life? Let me ask you, why are you so visionless?
To run away from this village. What is hungering you? Eh? That decision is mine and not yours. So if you don't mind, will you keep your advice? Eh? Please. Itipuomi here.
Onyebuchi, you need to receive sense. Ask for wisdom. Onyebuchi, you need to receive sense. Ask for wisdom from above. Okay. I used to steal money from my mother's shop. Let's run away with it.
Stop stealing.
What's in the song? You need to talk to us. What's the who do you provoke? Why the dress? Tell us who be the person. No, go fuck that person off now. No, mess up off right now.
To be a man. Bolly FM is get temper. So don't mind me. Never mind. It's a personal issue. It has to do with just me and my family. So Tinya away.
Then you have to cheer up. Yes, since you can handle the situation. But remember, don't forget to call us anytime you need us.
Confirm. Hey!
Thank God I'm going to say no one. I'm going to say
please, here we talk. Onyebuchi, are you still washing the plates? For what? Eh? In a sabopa? Akpokpo do na diesele? Because be quick so that you can pound the fufu. Customers are waiting. They can't ever na eche, onye nke a na eche. Please bear with us, yo. Okay, malt. Oh, I'm coming. Neka.
Can I have some, please? I'm very hungry.
Some what?
Food. I'll go to one plate.
Huh?
I'll go to one plate. I'm going to good.
Some food?
Yes.
It is not part of the agreement. Onyebuchi, if you want food, pay like others do. Very simple thing. Please. This fufu is too strong. It can't swap back. Swap off, ma, please. It's too strong. Hold it, Becos. Hold it very well.
Wickedness can never stop true love.
That's what you want.
No problem, man.
can never stop
I don't
want to come out there.
all the sigo. Iyechi kwuru sọ ya ga-eme. Iyechi dere all the sigo.
Onyinyechuku, I need to discuss something very important with you.
Whatever it is you want to say can wait.
No.
Or are you so blind to see that I am making up?
It can't wait. We need to talk right now.
Whatever you want to say, please be very fast about it, because I'm in a hurry.
It can't wait. We need to talk now! What are you doing with my man, Buchi? I'm asking you a question. What are you doing with my man, Abuchi?
You can have them.
I'm talking to you. Are you mad? How dare you walk out on me? I said, why are you throwing yourself on my man, Abuchi? Can't you find yourself another? Must you? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Why are you throwing your stinking, smelling self on my man? You must be demented. Hello, Mama.
I want you to come to the shop now. There's somewhere you'll go for me.
All right, Mama.
And you? What are you doing there?
I want to rest a bit while I eat the bread. I'm very, very hungry. I'll go to Maka.
You want to rest a bit before you eat this bread? My friend, will you get off from that place? You baffled. Say I've been tossing to go and attend to the customers. I don't have that bread. I don't want for me and Azaba. Can't you be useful to yourself for what? What is wrong with you? Go and attend. Look at me. I'm not giving her. Let him come out. He says something about it.
Listen, I'll still teach you a lesson for going for my man. I won't forget this. Useless slut.
That's why I sip my alcohol. I don't want to listen back to nonsense. You will tell me if you're the one that will tell me who will call to wake up my
Where is this girl? I need another bottle. Hello, who is there? I need another bottle now.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Hurry up, please.
Okay.
Buchi, what are you doing here?
What else will I be doing here? I'm hustling now. With this street, the hustle, looking for what mouth to eat.
No. This is not a good place for you, Buchi.
My brother, what do you expect me to do? Eh? What do you expect me to do? What will I do? When I've lost everything I have? Eh? Now I'm just fighting to see how I'm going to marry Nwakego. But the mother said no. She insisted that I must pay cash before I marry her daughter. Else I will pay collateral by working here in her shop. That's why I'm here.
No. It's too downgrading for a person like you.
My brother, when life bends, you bend slowly with life. I've already paid 250,000 naira to Nwakego's family. But the Kingsmen insisted that I must pay the money complete before anything will commence. And the money is 100,000 naira. The price is outrageous. On top of 250,000.
Just for the bride price?
My brother, the list is too long. Even Nwakego's mother is saying that the bride I'm supposed to give to her should be 26. And the extension of the kindred. And the one for the extended family, about 36 pieces. each of them will go with one wrapper each. You understand? If you doubt me, we can go together so you see the list.
Yes, I have to see it myself.
Hold on, I'm coming.
This is unbelievable.
What I got?
Omo, this place is becoming boring. I'll make transfer. On discharge. I'm right behind you. Yeah. This is why they call me Tobenna, aka to be a man is not a day job. We move. I move.
Say one mama. I still cannot believe that my own sister said that I got her pregnant. How? Even if I smoked the highest weed that day, why would I do that to my own sister? The worst part is that nobody wants to believe me. Nobody wants to believe that I am innocent. I am not the one that impregnated my sister. I cannot rape my own sister as to getting her pregnant. How do I exonerate myself without allowing her to marry that poor idiot?
What would they be doing with 200 tubers of yam? 50 cartons of soap. For what? Even detergent?
They say there are the things used in bathing and clothing her to make her look beautiful and attractive, which made me see her and want to marry her.
Buchi, this list is outrageous. Very, very outrageous. But news that filtered into my ears indicate that Nwakiko is pregnant for a member of her family. That is why they want to marry her off to you.
Don't mind them. Leave that gist. That's not true. Leave them. Don't mind them. Don't listen to that gossip. That was our plan. To leave everyone with no choice than allow me marry her.
I have an idea.
See, my brother.
I have an idea.
Whatever you can do to help your brother, please do not hesitate. Okay?
I'll see what I can do. I'll do something about it.
Yes, you want to help me out with this.
That dry meat. You want them on the back, I don't know. Hey, Oga Bonnie.
Madam Candace.
I hope you like the food.
Yeah, I like it.
Hey.
Please sit down.
Eh?
Sit.
I should sit?
Yes.
What happened?
Nothing.
Did you find any stone?
No. In fact, I enjoyed the food.
Ah.
Madam, you never told me you have a beautiful daughter like this.
Huh.
She's an angel in human form. I swear.
Boniface, am I not beautiful? Eh? What are you saying? I wanna rap you gonna go do a also.
You look it now. I can't just body Madam Stanless. You know, I can be your in-law.
Hey, Oga Bonnie.
Stanless.
In maintenance money because all these are very important.
Of course. You underrate me. See, I can marry her today if you approve of it.
Is it open?
Of course.
Hey.
Money is not the problem.
No problem. What's so bad wrong? Okay, Bonnie. I'm going to go there, fella. My name is Afunanya. Oh, my name is Afunanya. My name is Afunanya. Don't worry. Obaru right now, vacation. We buy the film and kill ya. This so bad wrong.
What a beautiful girl. Wow. She cannot escape me.
That harmless, handsome, harmless young man came looking for you. He brought a lot of food items, only if you would give him a chance. Chance to do what exactly? Of course, a chance to ask for your hand in marriage. What would he be doing if not to ask for your hand in marriage? That's why he came.
Mama, you must be kidding me, right?
Oh.
Me, marry another man. Now that my embryo is fast developing. What about Buchi?
Onyebo Buchi. Forget about Buchi. See, the same way we had planned to use Buchi without making him know that you are pregnant, we can as well need this Boniface on the line. After all, he is richer. He can take good care of you. Who is Buchi? Buchi is worse than an infidel. What are you saying? This guy is a responsible Christian boy, and when you are married to him, you will enjoy life. Is that what you want?
Mama.
No,
Mama will not do it. There's nothing that will make me marry another man except